In this short video, I'll show you how to enable end users to easily and effortlessly get the help and support content they need when they need it with Epilogue Advisor. Here's a quote from Gartner where they point out that end user adoption is the most critical factor for generating return on investment, but sadly, most organizations simply don't have the time or resources to enable their employees. And this study shows that effective user adoption is the most important factor by an order of magnitude for realizing value from your critical systems. Here's a well-accepted definition of electronic performance support. The biggest takeaway is electronic task guidance and support to the user at the moment of need. Here's some examples of the types of critical applications that often fail to achieve their potential due to lower effective user adoption than required. There are a lot of technologies used in a blended approach to learning and training. Think of this pyramid as a series of tools that contribute to the ultimate objective of effective user adoption. Here's the EPS zone. It covers the most fundamental layer of your application, the transaction and process layer. Unfortunately, the higher order learning technologies can't cost or effort effectively develop the volume of content needed for the EPS zone or deliver it to end users in application in real time. They don't deliver it as electronic task guidance and support to the user at the moment of need. EPS content can come in a lot of output types and formats, and our Epilogue author videos show how to create these in a dramatically productive fashion. Now, I'd like to show you how Epilogue Advisor automatically delivers the right content at the right time to end users. Epilogue Advisor, the key to effortless EPS for end users. I have three applications I'll be using to demonstrate Epilogue Advisor. Our first application is an electronic medical record system called Vista. I'll just move it up here. The second application is a CRM called Zoho. And lastly, we have SAP, an ERP application. Perhaps you noticed a notification in the lower right. This is Epilogue Advisor letting the end user know that help and support is available. Now watch Advisor as I move from application to application. Notice Advisor adjusting as we go, identifying the EPS content relevant for where I am in these applications. This context sensitivity is important for delivering the right content at the right time. Now let's look at the EPS content. Click on the notification and a child window appears listing the most relevant EPS content. You can look at your favorites, history, or search further if you wish, and here's how you tag a favorite. Click on the content and it launches our HTML task aid we call eAssistant. eAssistant presents step-by-step work instruction specific to that transaction. You can click on any thumbnail for a larger view. Now, some people prefer a different way of learning, and that's okay. At the top of the eAssistant, users have the ability to launch other forms of the same information. Let's say the user prefers a simulation. Simply select and launch. Our simulations can have audio or no audio. That's a decision made when the simulation is created. You can control the simulation as you'd expect. Pause, back, forward, or using the list view, you can choose which step to jump to and proceed from there. This content was created in minutes using Epilogue Author. However, the content presented here is not limited to content created with Epilogue. You can deliver virtually any file format, so if you have existing content, no problem. There's more we can show you, but I wanted to give you a glimpse into how you can empower your end users as never before with Epilogue Advisor. I hope you found this informative and can begin to think about how we can help you achieve effective user adoption with Epilogue. You may be interested in our other brief videos. Epilogue Author, Creating EPS Content Quickly and Simply, Part 2 of Epilogue Author, Editing and Enhancing Your Content in Minutes, and Epilogue Publisher, our powerful system administration engine for managing the collaborative process of creating, reviewing, publishing, and monitoring your EPS needs. Thank you for your time. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you.